Hi guys, welcome to Aadvik Talks. And today we're gonna paint something. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you love parrots. So you need these supplies for the paint. You need paint and a paper and a bowl full of water. I saw this on YouTube. It was really cool, but they're using their fingers. I don't want to get my hands dirty. That's why I'm using a brush. So let's get started. First, you dip your brush in the water. And you take the red color. Just spread it all over your brush. It's not getting all over. Yes. Now you just do like this. Just keep going like a liner. Looked so beautiful, right? Then dip the brush in the water again. Look, it's turning red. Then take out your brush. If it's too wet, then put the brush on white color. And you just dip it and you just paint this in white. And you just take the black color. Now just dip it on the water, the brush. You just dip the brush in the water again. Now you take the brush slowly without the water just gets on your paper. So quickly touch into black. After you touched into black, you just do like this. Now you just put the eye on it. It started to look like a parrot, huh? Now you just line up these, take a red color again, just look. You just do like this. Now you need to get it thicker. If you ran out of paint, it's okay. Just do like this over here. If you ran out of paint, dip in the water again, and you just dip it into red again. And just do like this. And you just paint the whole parrot like this. If you ran out of paint, just dip it in the water and put your hands on the under and dip it in paint again. Now you just do like this. Just do like it's a more red. Like that. It looked like a parrot. And you dip it in water again if you run out of paint. Then you just slowly dip it in the green color. And you just do the same thing over here. Get some more green. I need some more. Now I need some more green. I just put some green over here. just mix the colors. See how it mixes the colors. It just see how it's beautiful. It's turning out so beautiful, right? Now, if you want to do it quickly, just don't want to dip it in water. If you pick the same color, and I'm gonna not pick the same color now. I'm gonna pick only blue. Now I'll just take the blue color. What? It's not working. It's not getting on the blue. Yeah. And you just rub it, really? Yeah, it's getting on. Now you just do like this. It would look like a parrot, right? You just paint the hole. And you just do like this. Now you just take blue. How it's not getting on it? Yeah. Now just now it's not too much blue, so just take some blue and like that. All the way over here. Now it's time for the tail. Just take this again. Now just put a big, just do like that. It kind of ruined the parrot, but it's not ruining the parrot. Just take this blue color, dark blue, and you put it inside of that roll. And you color it like this. And you just take the yellow color now you just do like this. Now you just take the red color again. Now you just put it on this. Now you take the green color again and you dip it over here. Just do like that. And the parrot is ready. Look, it's so ready, right? I need to make this yellow part so taller. So I need to take yellow, put it taller, like a little bit taller. Now that's better. Now the parrot's ready. You love the parrot? And make sure to subscribe to this channel and comments and likes. And bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe to this channel.